just gonna show you how to create one app in the this code.org. Let's begin. So I started it and just signing in. Yeah, so I signed in. So next you should go down there. Then you should go to the app lab which you see here. So today I'm going to show you how to make a color changing application in code.org. Let's begin. First go to the thing, click button. I'm keeping some 5 buttons. It is your choice how much you want. You could just keep them. So let's change them and rename them. First I'm just changing it to radical. Yeah. Then we should change the background color. Then to blue. So I'm changing it. Yeah. This to yellow. Then let's get this changed to green. So then let's go there and then click this. So I'm just gonna change this color to pink. It's your choice. Now let's go to the code and design the code. So first we need the uneven block. Just keep it there and change the ID to button 1, which is the red button. Then we'll go to the this thing. Yeah. Then we'll take the set property block. Then we'll keep the ID as green one. Change it to background color. Yeah, so it's red default, and then again repeat this thing until you complete all the 5 blocks. So sometimes you may not get the option, so I'm writing pink here manually, pink. So I completed it writing. So this is the code and we are done with the writing code. So let's see and test it if we get it. So click the run. So I'm clicking on red, color change to red, blue, blue, yellow. Yeah, it seems to be fun, no? You could try this at home and then comment and share and subscribe and like my video if you get connected to it. Thank you for watching.